Hey, it's Arie here, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video specifically, I want to talk about why I absolutely love the multiple income funnel program and why you should get involved in this program if you are currently looking into this. And maybe if you're watching this video, you are, doing some research and you're kind of on the fence about whether or not you want to get involved with this. You're kind of like, well, should I join this or not? But in this video specifically, I want to go over exactly what this is all about, essentially what you're getting access to, and why I absolutely love this exact program, right? So real quick, if you like these kinds of videos about affiliate marketing, growing your online business, and you like these kinds of different, product review videos, consider subscribing to this channel down below and hitting the bell icon so this way you never miss out on anything that's brand new, right? So real quick, what I want to do with this video, before I actually get into all the details of this exact program, is I want to first and foremost answer the question that is on your mind. The number one question that you have right now, and that is, can I actually make money with multiple income funnel, right? So if I join this as a complete brand newbie, will I actually be able to get results by following in the footsteps in this exact program? And I want to answer this question right off the bat. The answer to that question is absolutely yes, right? So check this out. This is the Facebook group right here where the different members, they kind of network, they share the results. And here is a member by the name of Petra. Not sure how you pronounce the name, right? But waking up Sunday morning like this is so great. My first sale through TA, Traffic Authority, the traffic source, and not even 2 weeks in this online business, right? So check this out. She just made her very first sale, actually two sales. One was a $20 commission, and that person also upgraded to the annual membership right here, which means that she made $200 within a single day, right? So imagine that, you get into this as a complete newbie, you're just following in the simple footsteps, and you make your very first sale. So obviously I can't make any sort of guarantees. It really comes down to what you're willing to put into it. But as long as you're consistent, you are of course able to follow very simple steps, which I'm going to go over in a little bit. Then you could absolutely have great results with this exact program, right? So let's move. Let's go on to another one here. Here's a member by the name of Ching Pong right here. He made $150 from income stream number 4. So you can see that right here. Here's another member by the name of Chris. He made $20, another $20 monthly commission right here. And you got Mac doing an announcement right here. Here's another member, not sure how you pronounce his name, but woke up to 3 more sales this morning on my 3rd day of MIF, right? So check this out. This guy just joined like 3 days ago, and already he's getting phenomenal results with this exact program, right? So what's great about this, and the thing that really just excites me about this exact program, is this isn't just veterans in the industry that already have momentum. A lot of these people are completely brand new. They haven't had results before. They're just getting into this. It's their first venture, or maybe one of the first ventures. And even people who are newbies are able to get results with this exact program, right? So look, I can go on and on. There's tons of other members. You got Derek made $20 from income stream number 1. You have Anthony made $100 from income stream number 3. And as you can see, it just goes on and on and on, right? $100, $100, another $100 commission right here, and it just keeps going on and on, right? So obviously, by this point, you see the, hopefully by now you see the power of this exact program. And with this exact program in particular, what's really great about this is specifically with income stream number 1, when you first promote the system itself, what's really great about this is you earn the ability to get monthly recurring commissions, right? So when you refer someone to the program, they pay $49 a month to get access to the program. And from that, whenever someone signs up under you, you get monthly recurring commissions, each of $20. Now, obviously, $20 per sale doesn't sound like a lot by any means, but keep in mind, if you can get lots of people, to of course sign up, it is something that could definitely add up in the long term, right? So when you get that additional $20 every single month, it does really add up. And just to show you, this is my very first payout that I got from this exact program, right? So I had some commissions in pending, and they just recently got paid out to my e-wallet right here, as you can see right here. And it's pretty exciting, right? But it's not just one income stream that you're earning from. There are 4 in total that you, of course, earn from. So I want to actually go into exactly what this program is all about. And then, at the end of this video, you can decide for yourself if you, of course, want to join this. And by the way, I will have some really cool bonuses for you when you decide to join, specifically through my link down below. So of course, get into that in a little bit right here. But with this exact program, you have 4 very simple steps that you want to follow. And these 4 steps are set up in a way where even if you are someone who's completely brand new, you haven't had much experience in this yet, or maybe if you're non-technical, it's set up in a way where even the complete newbie who's non-technical can of course follow through on each of these steps and you can of course get it up and running, right? So obviously it's very important that you watch all the videos that are in here. You don't want to be the type of person who just joins. You join the Facebook group and you're like, okay, I joined, what do I do now, right? There's a ton of people who've done that, and if you're that type of person where you don't have the ability to just watch, a few short videos and of course take action, then this might not be the program for you, right? So hopefully you're not that type of person, but let's actually get right through it, right? So you got 4 simple steps that you want to go through, and specifically with step number 2, this is where you will set up your different income streams. Right now, obviously, I want to mention that you earn the ability to earn on the different income streams that you are currently a part of. So it's very important that you position yourself, you get set up with as many income streams as possible, and you want to position yourself as high in each program as possible, right? So with income stream number 1, when you sign up to the program, this is automatically set up, so you don't have to do anything here. And this I already went over. It pays out monthly recurring commissions, which is pretty cool. But let's move on to income stream number 2, which is a program by the name of Easy One Up. Now, if you've been online for any amount of time, you have most likely heard of this program. It's been around for about 5 years, and what's really cool about Easy One Up is they have product packages ranging anywhere from $25, and it goes all the way up to $2,000. Now, what I really love about Easy One Up is this is one of the very few affiliate programs that pays out full 100% commission. So what this means for you is when you get a sale inside of Easy One Up, and let's say, for example, someone comes under you and they decide to buy the Vertex Pro package, right? What that means is you're getting an extra $1,000 that's paid out pretty much instantly, right? So you don't have to wait 30 days to receive your money like you would with other programs. This is getting paid out directly to you instantly, right? So the customer pays you directly, and you could receive that commission however you want, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Venmo, Bitcoin, whatever it is that you like to use to get your commissions paid out. You could simply use that method, and that is instant commission that's getting paid out directly to you, right? Does that sound pretty cool or what, right? So when you really think about it, if you have like an income goal, whatever your income goal is, you most likely only need just a few sales with this income stream alone to really hit that income goal, right? So it's pretty exciting to really think about, and that's what income stream number 2 is all about. Now, income stream number 3 is a program by the name of TechSpot. This is a bit of a newer program. This is a SMS marketing software that allows you to earn instant $100 payments, right? So very similar to Easy One Up, this is another program that pays out commissions instantly. And with this program, you can get $100 paid out instantly whenever someone signs up. Full 100% commission. They do have a $500 level as well that you, of course, earn from. But, again, you have to remember, you only will get commissions from the levels that you're currently positioned at, right? So if you only come in at the $100 level and someone signs up under you at the $500 level, well, that will be getting passed up to your sponsor. That is just something that you, of course, want to keep in mind with this exact program. But, that, of course, incentivizes you to really come in at the highest level possible, right? So just a side note, this has one of the coolest sales videos that I've ever seen with any program ever. It has it presented in this little vertical style right here, which is really cool. And this program is a really cool software you could use to follow up with your leads through SMS marketing, right? So think about having an email autoresponder, but specifically with SMS marketing. It's a pretty cool way to follow up, and it's starting to become a lot more popular, right? So that's another really cool thing about this exact program. The products in here are actually really good too. It's not just like a bunch of random, programs just thrown together like with other, funnels like this. The programs inside of here are actually really good, which I also really love about multiple income funnel. But income stream number 4 is a traffic source known as Traffic Authority, right? So this is the Traffic Authority website right here. And what's really cool about this is you could actually use this not only to, of course, earn on this income stream, but you could also use this to promote the multiple income funnel system itself, right? So what's really great is you could, of course, go to this traffic source right here, and you of course go in here, you buy whatever traffic package you want. And with this exact traffic, you don't have to learn any sort of copywriting, or you don't have to like put out, your own ad together or anything like that. What you're doing is you're simply paying for clicks, and the Traffic Authority vendor will write out the email for you, right? So they will email their list with your specific link that you want to promote inside of here. And then they will send over the clicks over to your link. And whenever someone, of course, opts in, then that is where the system will start doing the follow-up for you, and they will get those as many leads as possible to, of course, go through the funnel and upgrade to all the different income streams. That's what's really cool about this exact traffic source right here, and it's known to convert very well, right? So this isn't like your typical solo ad source like Udemy, where there's tons of sellers on there, and it's kind of hit and miss. With this traffic, it's known to be very high quality, and it's gotten a lot of members great results, just like what I showed right here, right? So, as long as you're of course following the steps in here, then there's really no reason why you should not be able to get results. If you're taking action consistently, then there's really no reason why you should not be able to get results with this exact program, right? So once you have all your income streams set up, then what you'll want to do is you want to set up your e-wallet. So this is specifically important for income streams number 1 and 4. And then there's also a video in here where the creator of the program will give you a tour of the exact program and kind of show you all around the program and what it's all about, right? So one other thing that I would like to show you is the marketing resource that you get access to promote this exact program. Now, what's really great about this exact program, and what I feel makes it very newbie friendly, is you don't have to go out there and build out your own sales funnels if you don't want to. You don't have to write out your own emails. You don't have to do any sort of follow-up yourself. You don't have to record your own videos or anything along those lines. What's really great about this exact system is it provides pretty much all of those things for you, right? So they give you the capture page you could simply plug into, so you could promote any of the capture pages. They've got the sales video with really high converting video that of course entices people to of course buy right then there on the spot. And just a side note that I'd like to mention with this program just recently launched like last December, like a few days before Christmas. And I was one of the people that got into it when it first launched. And when this program first launched, they didn't have any follow-up emails going out on their behalf as of yet, right? So that wasn't initially set up. Of course, now it's all active in here. But even then, it was still converting very well without the follow-up emails, which is really saying something, compared to a lot of other programs that have this massive list of emails that are already pre-written, right? So of course with the emails out there now, it's of course converting a lot better now, but that's just something that I want to mention, right? So this is pretty much what everything that I want to go over with in terms of the multiple income funnel program. Now what I want to do right now is I want to talk about the bonuses that you'll get access to when you decide to join through me. Down the link down below. So when you join through me inside a multiple income funnel, what you're going to get access to is the very first thing that you're going to get access to is you're going to get access to my pre-built 4-day training that you can simply plug people into. And with this exact training right here, I've actually used this to sell other programs in the past. And what you could actually do is you could instead of sending traffic to any of these capture pages right here, what you could actually do is you could replicate my exact funnel that I have right here, and you could use this to of course get people to of course opt in. So it would be very much like you're building out your own email list, and then when they get value from the free training, I will have a button down below each video where when they actually click on that button and they go to multiple income funnel the program, it will be your affiliate link that'll be down below this the 4 videos, right? So this is actually the old version that I have of the funnel that I built with inside of ClickFunnels, but the new one that I have is built with inside of Kartra, which is, I feel, a little bit better and a little bit easier for newbies to use, and it provides pretty much the sales funnel builders as well as the email autoresponders. And what's really great about this is not only are you leveraging a high converting lead magnet that has of course been converting very well for myself, but it's also going to allow you to build out your own list as well, right? So if you want to learn how to also do email marketing and you want to do some additional follow-up on your behalf, you will be able to do that with this exact resource right here, right? Now, the second thing that you're going to get access to when you decide to join me inside a multiple income funnel, and this is going to be for a very limited time, when you get started inside of income stream number 2, which is at the $1,000 level or above, so you come in at the very least at the Vertex Pro level through my link down below, you're going to have the chance to have a one-on-one coaching session with me through a Zoom call where I'm actually going to show you, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step everything that I'm doing to get results with this exact program. And this is really beneficial for you because, if you have any questions that you want to ask me during that call, you will be able to do that. And I will, of course, walk you through that right there, right? So if you need that additional guidance from myself, then I will be there for you when you decide to join through the Vertex Pro level. But keep in mind, this is only for those that come in at the Vertex Pro level or higher, and this is as of February of 2021. So if you're watching this video during this month, then you have that entire month to, of course, choose to enroll in this level right here, and you will have the chance to get on a one-on-one coaching call with me. Now, in terms of the other bonuses that I have, this is going to be specifically for those who come in at the Vertex Live level instead of Easy 1UP. And the very first bonus that you get for the at the Vertex Live level is you're going to get access to personal bi-weekly coaching. So every other week, there's going to be a coaching session. You'll be able to ask questions, get your questions answered, which will, of course, give you some additional help right there. You're also going to learn how to get very high quality traffic with YouTube. So if you want to learn this traffic source right here, which is the exact traffic source that got me my very first breakthrough online, you'll be able to learn that with this training right here. You're also going to get access to the Facebook ads training, which will show you how to get very high quality traffic with Facebook ads. So if you want to learn Facebook ads, you've got another training right here that'll show you how to do that. And this is without ever having to worry about getting banned, right? So Facebook, as you know, is very strict. It's known to be very strict, but with this exact method, you don't have to worry about getting banned, which you'll, of course, learn right here. Bonus number 4, you'll get access to the massive traffic formula. This is a very powerful method created by a 7-figure earner known as Paulo Barroso, and this is his formula that he uses to get very high quality traffic with solo ads. You'll also get access to the massive ManyChat profits, which will show you how to follow up with your leads through Facebook Messenger. So imagine having a very high quality email list, but instead you're following up with them in Messenger. What's really great about Messenger is that they have a much higher open rate than emails, which is really beneficial. You'll also get access to the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. And if you want to learn organic Facebook marketing, if you want to learn how to get very high quality traffic for free and fast, then I would highly recommend plugging in this training right here, because this is the exact traffic source that you want to learn if you want quick results, but also you want high quality traffic as well, right? So this you really can't go wrong with. You'll also get access to some email slips you can simply plug into. You'll learn hypnotic storytelling. You've got some mindset training about the most important ingredient for success. And then you also have a really cool ebook that you'll get access to called How to Create a Crystal Clear Vision for Your Future, right? So this is everything that you're going to get access to when you decide to join through my link down below. And if you want to get access to these bonuses, again, this is specifically for those who come in at the Vertex Live level instead of Easy 1UP. Otherwise, there's also the one-on-one coaching session you can get with me if you come in at the $1,000 level, but also this exact funnel that I'm using, this exact capture page and the lead magnet that I'm giving away, this is available to everyone who joins through me within the multiple income funnel program, right? So even if you just come in at the $49 a month membership inside of this, you will get access to this exact funnel that you could simply replicate and simply plug into as well as, you know, the other capture pages that are inside of this exact program right here. Anyways, hopefully you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are ready to get started with this exact program, don't wait. Click on the link down below, go through this exact program, and check it out for yourself. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Take care.